Today we are going to be packaging up these treats for the princess party. They have Cheez-Its, Capri Suns, Rice Krispie treats. So starting off, I create my designs in Canva using templates that I have created for myself just to make the process of recreating different designs super easy. If you are interested in purchasing those designs so the process can be easy for you too, I will have them linked in the description below. I print out all of my designs myself just using a regular inkjet printer, but you can take them to a printing shop to get them printed out as well if you would like. The paper that I print out my Capri Sun labels on, it's a matte sticker paper. I will have it linked in the description below for you if you want to grab it so you can have the exact kind that I use. This paper is really good, and as you can see, the color shows up beautifully on this paper. And using sticker paper just makes the process of placing these onto the back of the Capri Suns super easy versus having to use like some kind of tape or glue. So here I'm taking the Capri Suns. You want to flip them over to the back side and then lay the sticker onto it and then smooth it out. You may get a few wrinkles here or there just simply because of how the Capri Sun lays. But if you take your time with it, you can get it fairly straight and even laying onto the Capri Sun. So I just place it onto the back side, and that way you don't cover up the front and you don't have to fool around with the stick and where does the stick go. And yeah, it's just super cute, right? Out of all of the custom treats, this is by far my most favorite to make. I just really love how they look so much, like always. I really just love these so much. But we're going to get on with the Rice Krispies next. So I just use the regular standard Rice Krispies, and this is the size that my templates are made for. So if you were wanting to do the smaller ones, you can take my template and then adjust it to fit that, or you can just create your own if you would like. But this process is really easy, and I'm using just regular copy paper, and that is what I printed the design out on. And as you can see, I did not cut this one out close to the edges. I did leave that white border, and this is going to help us with making these really look like delicious Rice Krispies later on in the video, and you'll see what I mean shortly. But here I am putting down a U shape of the double-sided tape, and I'm taking the bottom flap and folding it up, and then I will fold the top flap over and then press the edges together to seal off the Rice Krispie treat. I find this to be the easiest way to package these, and also it helps to make it a bit easier for the little ones to be able to open up the packaging when they're ready to eat their treats. And this is what it's going to look like once you get it in the paper. But we're going to jazz this up just a little bit more. I am using some Crinkle Cut Scissors. Again, they'll be linked in the description below. And this is why it was important to have that white edge. This gives us space to be able to cut off to get that crinkle edge, but not cut into the Rice Krispie. And just like that is so cute. How cute is that? But we're not done. We're gonna take it up another level using this crinkler, this paper crinkler. And I'm going to place that into the crinkler and give it a little twisty twist. And as you'll see, it's going to crinkle up those edges to really make it look like custom packaging. Like, just watch. Oh my goodness, like how cute is that, y'all? How cute! And that's how you make some bomb looking Rice Krispie treats. You can also use regular chip bags, and it works for both. So I have some regular paper examples, but then I also have these glossy examples. Start by flipping it over to the back side, and we're going to place our chips directly into the center. I'm going to be using a hot glue gun today to seal my bags, but you can use double-sided tape. That's generally what I would usually use, but I'm currently out, so I'm making it work with hot glue. The process for making the custom chip bags is fairly the same as the Rice Krispie treats, just with, you know, a few adjustments here or there, but we're just folding those sides over and gluing them down. And then we're going to crinkle cut the tops, and then use the paper crinkler to crinkle up the edges to give it that chip bag kind of look and feel. You can use regular paper, or you can use glossy brochure paper or photo paper like I'm using here. Just keep in mind that with the photo paper that the ink will need time to dry and set. But yeah, this is how you make custom treats. Be sure to like, subscribe, and grab your templates. I'll see you in the next one.